Hello guys, it's me your friend Ais Patel and I am going to tell you something that serious things has been happened to my because my Gmail account is hacked so that I cannot access to the YouTube and Gmail account to change my password because the hacker I changed everything, the recovery email and the recovery phone number, and he also said his two-factor authentication from his own Gmail and one phone number, so I cannot change my Gmail account's password or YouTube account password. So the thing is that I have login my Gmail through my work laptop and my iPhone. In iPhone, the login session has been expired, but in laptop, the login section has not been expired, so that I can open the Gmail because the login section is not expired. So there is a our credit attached to our Google Chrome in a laptop, so I can access to log into the Gmail, but I cannot change password. It's not all about my Gmail and YouTube account. It's all about my privacy because I have linked up everything with that Gmail. I have linked up my from Gmail. I have account linked my university's email too. So that makes a huge difference for me to access my university mail also and to do my daily life activity. So YouTube should take a serious action about it. I can access YouTube from my laptop so that I will upload the video. But if the YouTube asks for a password, then I cannot do anything because I cannot change password even through my old login session of laptop from Google Chrome. So please YouTube, please view my video. Please help me out because I want my account back. I am seriously been in trauma. I am mentally tortured. So YouTube, please get me back. I will show you the how much subscriber I have. I have almost 6,000 subscriber and I have AdSense account from that Gmail too. So I can access my Gmail from laptop. So send me a passport changing mail to my email so that I can change my email and other setting also. Send me Gmail. I will log in from my Gmail from old session of my laptop. Okay. Or for further information, contact me or send me mail. I can see the mail from the same Gmail account which been hacked because I have a login session not expired from laptop. So thank you. I will attach my some proof with this video. So this is my video. This is my subscriber. I can access login because I am accessing from laptop, Dell laptop, which is a old login section has not been expired from here, so that I can still access to the YouTube and Gmail, but I cannot change the password and anything because it asks for different kinds of authentication and something there. So which a hacker completely changed that because please look out it YouTube. Please look at it and send me some mail to recover my email. I want my email back and YouTube back. Thank you.